Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today as you can see another football card. I know it's last week, I don't know, but yeah, today I've got another one. And as you can see, this is a Spurs badge, Tottenham Spurs, and this is even he gave me, by the way. And so yeah, let's open it. I said this is a Spurs. Free digital pack. Scan it. Okay. Alex Witsel, man of the match. 97 defense, 80 attack. That's nice. Rana, I don't know how to pronounce it. Rising star. Defense 33, attack 68. So 2 Dortmund players. That's fun. Dramatic. Defense 68, attack 6. Oh, defense 78. Yeah. Oh, this is not bad. Wow. A media. And oh, Dembele. So 83 attack, 31 defense. So this is the Tottenham midfielder, Lo Celso. Attack 78, defense 64. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe and I'll see you next one.